Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how to create a post from Instagram story. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and here I have created an Instagram story. So this is the story that I have just created on my Instagram account, and I'm going to share the story as a post on my Instagram. So first of all, we just need to click on this three dots or this more option, and here we can click on share as a post. Okay, and here you can customize your post. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and after that we just need to click on this arrow to continue to the next step. Okay, and we can add folder to our Instagram post. We can also add music, it's up to you, and then we can click on next, and we just need to click on share, and the story will be shared as post on our Instagram. And I'm going to check it. Wait, I'm going to refresh my Instagram. Okay, and this is the post that I have created from my Instagram story. And I guess that's how we can share Instagram. That's how we can create a post from Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.